My name is Battani, and I'm one of our regional vice presidents of our service group. One of my key roles is to strategically keep looking forward and developing plans and programs for our service group to ensure we are on the leading edge of technology, to always provide a high-end customer experience delivery, and to foster workforce development. From my perspective, workforce development is defined as initiatives that educate and train individuals to provide outstanding service to meet the needs of our current and future customers and create high-paying jobs with multi-layers of career growth potential. I'm standing here in our very own Workforce Development Center. The idea of creating this space was one part of our overall technician development program. In 2018, we were starting to see the effects of a shrinking workforce and the retirement of baby boomers, creating a real shortage for qualified technicians in the HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and building automation trades. My leadership team and I knew it was going to be a real problem that would only get worse, so we started planning for the future by considering a single statement. What if we could never hire an experienced technician? What would we do differently? We considered this question with no boundaries, and the ideas flowed. One of the ideas was to have our own facility providing hands-on training and development for all of our existing technicians and for our apprentices just learning the various trades. We took a hard look at our current required technical training and industry standard education programs such as NCCER, which we utilize for our apprenticeship programs. We needed to understand exactly what these programs were lacking and what we needed to go deeper on. We discovered that some of the materials were outdated and only provided an introduction to the topics. So we decided that we needed to build a supplemental training program and deliver these independent of the standard apprenticeship education. We then looked at our delivery of the on-the-job training and found that we are insufficient in many topics of providing adequate opportunities for the students to excel or get exposure. So today we have begun revamping our processes and evaluations to ensure all receive what it takes to master the skills. And the final thing we decided was that we needed a full-time person to help manage the entire process, and so we hired a technician development coordinator to oversee the program. We have an off-season training program where we personally deliver or bring in major manufacturers to deliver factory-supported training on various advanced topics to help our teams progress from an entry-level technician to an advanced level technician and then ultimately achieve master technician status. I'm excited to be standing in this building that started out as an idea and see how it will help shape the future for all our technicians.